Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove all transition at once on InShot application. So guys, here I have already created a project on InShot and I have applied some transition to my clips. As you can see, then I'm going to play the video to show you the transition. Okay, and this is the transition that I have applied to my clips. Then if you want to remove all your transition, you can simply tap on one of the transition that you have applied like this. Tap on the transition, then you're going to tap on this button. I don't know what it is called, but just tap on this button. Then if you want to remove all your transition at once, you can simply tap on this double check mark button, then click on transition apply to all. Okay, and now the transition have been removed from our clips. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove all transition at once on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.